Hi, I'm Ken Rule, Senior Applications Engineer for Expand Machinery. Let's talk about getting the part program into the Mitsubishi 700 or 800 series control and activating it to be executed. This example will be the same on all Mitsubishi controls for the gen mill, gen turn lines of machines. Start by going to the I/O page by pressing the maintenance button. Press the I/O soft key. It will now display the device A and device B. Device A is the source of the program. Device B is the destination of the program. I like to think of it as dropping the program from A to B. Notice the only transfer selection is transfer A to B. You have several options to transfer a program to the machine. The file manager on the Mitsubishi 700 and 800 series is extremely versatile. I will demonstrate a simple program transfer. To transfer a program from a USB, memory card, or other sources, press Device Select. Select a device, usually a USB. I'm using a simulator on a laptop, so I only have the HD to select from. You might select USB for USB drive, serial for RS-232 cable, Ethernet for a network connection, or memory card. The USB and memory cards can be inserted in slots to the right of the control screen. After selecting a device, we now need to select the program on the storage device to be transferred. Make sure device A is highlighted using the area change soft key or the up-down arrow keys. Press File Name. Press From List. This will populate the program list on the left with the programs available on the selected drive. The file name restrictions are no spaces or special characters in the file name. Extensions are ignored. You can put up to 52 characters in the file name, but only 12 can be displayed in the list. Use arrow keys to highlight the file. Press Input. This will write the file name in the clipboard input box at the bottom. Press Input again to write the file name into the Device A file box. Use the Area Change button or the arrow key to highlight the Device B box. To move a program to the machine memory, you must have set the device as memory and directory as program. If it's not already set, then change it the same way as we did in device A. Press Transfer A to B. A green question, OK, yes or no, will be displayed. If all looks good, press Y or Input. Note the program being displayed in the IMP data box as it is loaded. The green display will change to Transfer Complete if the load is successful. If you wish to send a program from the program memory to a USB, just swap the data between device A and device B. To activate the program for execution, press Monitor, press Search, use the up-down arrow keys to select the desired file, and press Input. The file program is ready to run. We have transferred a program to the machine memory and loaded the program for execution. I'll cover the advanced functions of the program manager in the next video. Bye for now.